coming. So I woke up this morning feeling kind of puny. So Dad's gonna do the tractor today, so I don't have all that cold wind blowing. We're trying to get ready for, they keep saying there's gonna be a big storm coming in. We're gonna put out extra rolls of hay today so that we don't have to do it during the rain and supposed snow, but I don't see it snowing. So we're tag teaming. Tag, you're in. Come here, Jay. So while he's giving out hay, I'm gonna go do the shavings. We got a load of shavings. And we got extra cattle feed, extra horse feed, and we keep them in 55-gallon drums. Keep some mice out of them. So I'm gonna get the light duty today, just because I don't feel good. And I'm gonna use it to my advantage. I'm gonna milk it. Pitiful me. You can see as I'm walking out here, we still have ice. It's, I don't know, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. They say it's gonna get up to 42, but it's sitting right at 40 here. Which, you know, like I said, I think 40 feels pretty good, doesn't it, Jade? Yeah, feels pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah. Fix my tag. I had my tag hanging out. I like to be the one on the tractor. Hope we don't get any ice. I hate ice. But this barn right here, we've got it closed down. We don't use it anymore. It used to be the old goat barn. We're gonna fix it up and make it something else. Kinda cold.
I'm going to turn it up. Are you?
Yeah.
This is how I know I get close to the lawnmower. I line it up.
Oh, gee.
And then I hit it.
You hit the lawnmower?
Yeah.
You sure you touched it and didn't break it?
Yeah, I did it. I didn't break it.